Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will and this is the Wimmy YouTube channel. If you're new here, before we get into today's video, if you all could do me a massive solid, scroll down below, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. It's totally free for you guys to subscribe, and what it does is just sends you a quick little notification whenever I'm posting some new content out there. But what it really does is it helps me grow on the platform by pleasing the whole YouTube algorithm. So if you want to be supportive, if you like the channel, go ahead, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, guys. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a quick little product demonstration. Our good friends over at Lasfit, good people, good supporters of the channel, they sent us over one of their new products to test out, and it works out great because one of my vehicles over here has a flat tire. You already know what it is by clicking on the title of this video. It's gonna be their new cordless air compressor. I have it right here on the workbench behind me. I'm going to turn you around and just show you in a minute, but I was really stoked to be able to try out one of these from Lasfit. You know, they really make quality parts. They make great off-road LED and lighting solutions. They make really baller floor liners. I've ran those in a few different vehicles now at this point. So I was pretty excited when they reached out and said, hey, we got a new air compressor. Do you guys want to try it out? So yeah, I'm going to turn you guys around and show you exactly what I'm referring to here. Right over here on the workbench, this nice little branded packaging, we have the new air inflator, air compressor from Lasfit. It is a fully wireless unit, so you can throw this in your car, you can keep it in there, you don't have to worry about plugging it into anything. It runs on a good battery. Look at that. And then all down here we got some quick little specs right there. I'm gonna run through all the specs once we get this open and show it to you guys, but you know we always like to do a product unboxing on this channel. So as you can see, nice small compact unit right here, nice little carrying case, that way you can just go ahead and throw it in your car and set and forget it. So yeah, let's go ahead, open it up here. Sorry, a little difficult with one hand. So inside here, you can see user manual, which I think is also pretty cool because this isn't just for, car tires. You could use this for inflating bicycle tires. There's different connections for if you wanted to inflate balls or anything. And then right over here, cool little chart for, just like random PSIs right there. So I think that's pretty cool. Obviously, troubleshooting problems and all that, just generic user manual. Over here we have the actual unit itself. Again, nice and compact. It's it's pretty small, which honestly I really like, and it really does look like a nice quality piece here. Just give you a quick little run around of it. And then over in this top compartment up here, we got all different connectors. So sorry, bear with me guys. We got the Type-C charging if you wanted to plug it into a USB or like a wall charger, like a little cube. So we got that. We also have the one that you could plug into like the cigarette lighter inside your car if you wanted to charge it on the go. Over here, again, different valve connections. Another bag in here of all different fittings. So you got like the needle for the ball, and then different ones over here for inflating, different things, different tires, bicycle tires, stuff like that. And then over here, we got two hoses that you actually connect to the unit itself. So right over here, you can see this is where we connect the actual hose into when you want to start inflating. Here is a separate USB. So I'm wondering if maybe if you were to connect a USB to this and then connect your phone to it, if it would charge that device. If that's the case, that's pretty cool as well. You also have two different ports right there. Another thing I thought was really cool is it has a little LED light right here. So let me go ahead, turn on the product right here. Just go ahead and hold the middle button right there. You'll see it turns on. Let's go ahead and remove this since I'm going to be using this. So as you can see, nice lit LED display. I think that's also a really nice feature right there. You got your battery life as well as PSI and your preset PSI for what you want to inflate to. And then right over here, you got a little positive and a negative. So if you wanted to, adjust those PSI levels. Then right down here, these are presets. So you have, I think it's up to 5 different presets. So as you can see there, it's like a little vehicle. You click it once, bicycle preset over here, like an ATV or a off-road preset. Next click is a little ball and it has a little basketball on there. So different preset for that. And then this preset, I'm wondering if you can actually adjust it yourself and then save that preset as kind of like your preferred preset. So I think that's really sweet. But like I was saying before with that little LED, as you can see right there, little light, you click it once and now you have an LED at the front of the unit. So if you wanted to use it for, you know, trying to find something on the ground, if you dropped anything while you were, you know, in an emergency situation and you were trying to inflate your tires at nighttime, I think that's really sweet. Also really smart, if you press it again, you now get like a strobing feature. I really like that because God forbid, you know, broken down on the side of the road, it's dark at night, and you know, you're on a highway or something, at least you can set this down on the ground and now you have another little light flashing. You know, of course you can use, you know, like the hazards on your vehicle, but let's say you're on a motorcycle or something like that as well. You don't have hazards. So I feel like that's a nice little add-on right there. So I was really stoked to see that. And then there's another, you know, even quicker pulsing pattern. So this is, in my opinion, a great little unit, especially for the price. I believe these things are around 130 or 140. And to be honest with you, I'm going to be picking up 2 more of these. Lasfit sent this to me. I'm very transparent with you guys. They sent this to me to do like a demo and a review of it, unboxing for you guys. But I'm going to be picking up 2 more of these to throw one in the work van, one in the TRX, and then one in my wife's Maserati as well. So yeah, something I forgot to totally mention was these things will also inflate larger off-road tires. This is a dual cylinder air compressor, so it has a lot of force and a lot of inflating power behind it. So if you are running like those off-road rigs with bigger tires like 35s like I am, or 37s, yeah, you can inflate these as well. So it's not just for, you know, lighter vehicles or anything like that. So I really thought that was really sweet. That's why they reached out to me. They know I got, you know, bigger off-road vehicles, and they wanted me to go ahead, put this to the test for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a little demo quick. I actually have a flat tire on my van back here, ran over a damn nail, so need to inflate this tire, bring it over to the shop so they can patch it. But I'm also going to be inflating the Ram TRX's tires as well. That way you can fully see how this thing works. So let's go ahead, put this bad boy to the test. Okay, so we're all set up here. We got the hose connected to the little compressor, obviously connected to the wheel and tire over here. As you can see, we got the flat tire. So we want to come over here, hold the power button, it'll turn on. We got our preset PSI right there, and then all you want to do to start it is just push this button once again. There you go. And just like that, it automatically shuts off once it reaches the PSI it needs to be at. So that's pretty sweet. And then you just go ahead, quick disconnect. That was freaking awesome. So it went from basically like fully flat, as you saw it there, since there's a nail in this tire, to the 33 PSI in about 2.5 minutes. So for a little portable compressor like that, that's absolutely awesome. Sorry if there's like a lot of echo right now. I have the garage door closed because it's absolutely storming outside. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this tire patched. And then when we come back, I do need to adjust some of the tire pressure on my TRX. So you're gonna see firsthand on big off-road tires that this little compressor can totally handle it as well. Now that we took care of the van, let's go ahead and take care of the TRX. In Florida, the weather is super bipolar. So it goes from like, you know, torrential thunderstorms to 90-degree weather to 70-degree weather, back to thunderstorms, like real quick. And with all that fluctuating temperature, your tire, you know, pressure typically likes to fluctuate as well. So it always really annoys me when they're not all accurate. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them all, you know, the same PSI. And like I mentioned, this little compressor is great because it just doesn't handle regular tires and, you know, cars and light SUVs. It also handles off-road rigs. So I'm gonna turn that off so I don't lose my hearing, and we'll go ahead and we will use this little compressor down here and get all of our our PSIs to the same. So you can just go ahead and turn the unit on over here. And you see we got a good reading right there already. That's what it's telling us. It's at 41.5. So let's bump it up to where we need to be. Gonna go ahead and make them all 44 and let it go. Just like that, guys, our tire pressure is all squared away. Like I keep mentioning, this is a great handy little device that you want to go ahead and throw in your vehicle. You know, God forbid you need it. Not only is it a great tool to have in an emergency situation, but, you know, if you're an avid off-roader and you like to air down if your tires for going over any sort of terrain, you could totally air down, and then when it's ready, or when you're ready to, you know, leave, you can go ahead, connect this up, air up your tires back again to normal PSI, so you can, you know, get yourself home. You don't have to worry about running onboard air or anything like that. This little guy will more or less have you covered. Like I've also mentioned, I'm definitely going to be picking up another 2 of these to keep in all 3 of my vehicles. Might even pick up a few of these for good Christmas gifts. You know, for the price, you know, 120 bucks, you really can't beat it. And for all of you guys that are watching this video right now, I'm gonna have a discount code in the description below, as well as a link to the Lasfit store, and as well as a link directly to this product. So if you wanted to go ahead and pick one of these up, you know, definitely scroll down below, hit those links, pick up some pretty cool Christmas gifts. But I absolutely love this thing. Super stoked that, you know, they sent me this out to try out. I was really excited for this product when they mentioned it to me. So yeah, guys, just quick video today. Wanted to go ahead and highlight a pretty cool product for you guys. So if you liked it, like, subscribe, comment down below, share the video, all that cool stuff. My name's Will. This is the With Me YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Later, everybody.